Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Kips username and password and making sure your internet is stable. Once done, open a modern browser and navigate to the Kips LMS login page. Place the cursor in the username field. You do this now because credential accuracy prevents delays. If multi-factor is required, have your phone or authenticator app available. Make sure pop-ups are allowed briefly, because some logins trigger security prompts that must display. You type your username carefully, watching for capitalization and accidental spaces, then enter your password. Once you input credentials, use the show toggle if available to confirm characters. This avoids lockouts. Next, proceed to multi-factor authentication. Retrieve the one-time code from your authenticator app, SMS, or email and enter it promptly. If you're on a shared device, select the appropriate trust option or skip to avoid saving credentials. Then click Sign In to submit everything. You should land on your dashboard or course list. Check for expected course names and profile photo. If loading takes longer than 20 seconds, refresh once and avoid repeated attempts that trigger locks. Make sure to log out when finished on any public or shared computer and only save passwords on personal devices. If you cannot sign in, reset your password, clear browser cache and cookies, then try again. If that fails, contact Kips support and provide the exact error message or code for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.